Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 37. What is ascending triangles? The answer is, the upper trend line is horizontal, equal high, and the lower is ascending, higher lows.
Quote number 31. Alexander Elder said, "You have to identify your weaknesses and work to change. Keep a trading diary. Write down your reasons for entering and exiting every trade. Look for repetitive patterns of success and failure. This motivational trading code is maybe one of the most actionable. Take heed and find out what works for you." Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.